Om Shanti. In today's Murli, that is 18th May 2020, starting or beginning with this slogan in which Baba said, "Let the past be the past by passing with honors and always stay close to the Father." In short, Baba is saying that let the past be the past by passing with honor. By passing with honors means any situation, any type of situation, favorable, unfavorable, planned, unplanned, or situation in terms of people or in terms of disease, not so successful state, that is unsuccessful, or maybe in terms of change in atmosphere or anything that is creating a sense of challenge inside. So let's pass that situation with honor. Situation is a broad term, it includes many things. So Shiv Baba says that it's important to pass the situation with honor, that is without creating any sort of upheaval in mind. There should not be any chaos or any sort of fight or something that is challenging me, something that is forcing me to get away from my stable state of mind. So in that particular situation, it's important to pass it with honor. That is, maybe the situation is too challenging, but we'll be not leaving the stage of stability by remembering three important aspects of this knowledge, and that is soul consciousness. If disease is there, then disease belongs to this body. I am immune to it. Let's not get affected or unhappy with that. Drama is eternal. Anything happening to anyone or anybody, anything, that is just fixed in the drama, and that is accurate. Let's not raise a question to external situation related to anybody. And Supreme Father Shiv Baba, he is always there to provide strength so that we cross any situation with stability and ease of mind. And this is why Shiv Baba is blessing us today by saying that may you become a constantly powerful soul who becomes powerful by eating the practical and instant fruit of the confluence age. Constantly powerful soul. In Hindi, Shiv Baba says, all hamesha samarth raho. Stay powerful, stay meaningful always. And that is also possible by remembering these three important aspects of knowledge. Like Shiv Baba also said in yesterday's Murli, that faith in the self, faith in Baba, and faith in drama is prerequisite for this knowledge. The basis of this knowledge is faith in these three things. Shiv Baba said that today you have become absolutely the one with degraded intellect because you have forgotten that what exactly you are and to which religion you exactly belong to, the deity religion. You just don't remember today that how powerful exactly you are. I'm just evoking that powerful sense again so that you can keep that thing in your smriti, which means in your awareness, in your consciousness. Shiv Baba never says that leave your work, household work, or stop doing whatever you're doing, surrender your body physically. Shiv Baba never says that. He just says that surrender yourself totally to me through your mind and intelligence and think what I am asking you to think, do what I am asking you to do, and your life is sorted. Just give the steering of this life that we called, just give the steering of this car that we call life to Shiv Baba, and he'll be handling it so beautifully. Shiv Baba said that even along with souls, all the five elements, it's not just souls but even the five elements are going to get purified with the arrival of Shiv Baba. And Shiv Baba is the creator, and what does he create? He creates Satyug. He creates heaven. He creates a world which is full of peace, which means there is not even slightest trace of unhappiness or sorrow in Satyug, that is in heaven. Shiv Baba also said in today's Murli that no matter wherever you are, this study, this remembrance shall be there with you like a shadow. Because this knowledge is absolutely not dependent on our situation or condition of the body or people around us, or no matter what task am I performing, or no matter what deadline am I executing. This knowledge and remembrance is just as eternal as soul and Shiv Baba. So there is no point of raising any sort of excuse that how would I be able to implement or remember Shiv Baba if I'm traveling, or if I'm not well, if the body is hospitalized or something like that. Shiv Baba also said in today's Murli that Maya will enforce you to forget the father. Maya is so powerful that she will keep encouraging you to forget the father, because as much as you'll move forward, as much as you'll try to move forward, Maya will even try to put your steps back. So that's why Shiv Baba says that remain firm, just like Angad, with the faith in the self, father and the drama. And this is the summary of this knowledge. This is what the exact summary of Baba's vast knowledge, that remain firm in three aspects of this knowledge, that is the self, the supreme soul, the supreme self, and the drama, which is accurate, neither right nor wrong, just accurate. And Shiv Baba also suggested we children to wake up at Amrit Vela and to have a beautiful conversation with ourselves that the Father is my Father, the Supreme Soul Shiv Baba, he is my Father, teacher and Satguru. So am I acting like a child, student and the follower who's listening to the Father, teacher and Satguru so sincerely that every thought that I'm keeping, every step of thought that I'm keeping is full of his divinity. Om Shanti.